Remember when they hate? Didn't think we make it. Now they break their neck just to look at me. Remember when I called you and you didn't fall through? Now you hit yourself and look at me, You made me.
And what up? What's good with y'all? Alright, so what are we getting into today? A lot of y'all have noticed and y'all been asking, where is the Silverado? Because it's been MIA for a few videos. So today y'all get the update on where is Silverado, what's going on with the Silverado. Did it break? Did it blow up? Did I sell it? Did I give it away? Did it get stolen? All those will be answered today. Currently, the Silverado is at our boy Betho's, aka the local truck god. Betho does probably the craziest truck builds in this area when it comes to like LS powered and LT powered truck stuff. So my truck has been over there for the last couple, 2-3 weeks or so, and pretty much we're doing another stage of the build, man. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna be chasing more power, making it look a lot better, and cleaning up the last of the that was done originally. So y'all gonna be seeing all that, but no further ado, I will drive up out there. Let me jump my ass in the car. Or actually I need to get the parts loaded up in the car. Thank God I didn't jump in there and drive off. Let me get this shit loaded up. Next time y'all see me, we're gonna be at Betho's for the truck update. So we're pulling up to Betho's right now, and I don't ever recall seeing these cows out here. Y'all remember seeing these cows? But I do see a gang of trucks right now. Got hella trucks out here. El Chabeto out here, boy. El Chabeto.
I was beginning to think you wasn't coming.
Man, I told you I was running late, man. What's good? My nigga El Chabeto right here.
Keep it out.
Oh, yup. Intake looks good in there.
Just a little bit.
I like how you did the vacuum and shit.
Yeah,
looks good.
Came out a lot nicer than I even thought about it. Yeah, even the blow off valve, everything. It's all hard line. Even your waist or your little gauge over there. Has this little 4 Innovations adapter, regulator. Everything's all hard line. Well, airline.
Looks good.
No, it looks real good. Just a little improvement. You know,
a little improvement.
What's this right here?
This thing is ugly.
Is that free float design?
Blocks. Straight from
I
eBay.
I know you had a little CX.
It's your best friend, man.
No.
Yeah, this looks good.
No, it looks real nice.
How's the intercooler pipe sit? Is it closer?
I haven't even tested it. I got a coupler. I mean, I imagine later on you're either gonna fab something, but I just got a rubber 90, but it'll work fine. It's 4" to 3.5. It looks like we had right here.
All good.
We gotta make new lines for the catch can. And we definitely gotta get this thing to mic to redo all the wiring, man. Get the nice tuck going on.
Yeah.
Everything under the high ram now that you have all the room.
Yep, I got the alternator and everything in the car. I got the coil pack in the car.
Yeah, once we get that on there, get at least one log to Jason, make sure it all idles, everything cool. Drive it, go to dyno, and take it to mic.
Man, it looks hella better with the high ram.
Oh, bro. When it gets tucked, and then we clean shit up, and then I think the next time around, we'll probably get a nice bracket. Powder coat it black. Kick it over here, so you can actually showcase all the fuel rails like on my truck. I think even Mike D's got that too. It'll kick the alternator out here, so you'll be able to see the valve covers and everything. Powder coat all the charge pipes.
Yeah.
Powder coat the turbo cover.
I know, I was thinking about taking it today, but I'm like, I don't feel like taking this shit off.
It's pretty easy.
It is easy as shit.
Yeah, we could pull it off.
I haven't decided if I want to powder coat it or if I want to polish it.
I think we might as well wait just in case we get it all done. We're not waiting on that.
Oh no, this is a 1-day turnaround.
Get right back?
Yeah, I got a quick powder coater. I can go there tonight and it'll be done tonight.
Nice. When he does it, he's gonna block this side off. The harness will come off the back. Everything will be tucked under, and then everything will be under the high ram. That'll be a big difference.
Engine bay look full now. who trying to steal my Kia? That was these thunder thighs, boy, leaning on that panic button.
Oh shit, hide those runs now, bro. Show them off your truck now. Oh yeah, look. It's always been dead.
Where? This one?
Yeah.
It don't swing though.
Oh, it does swing.
It don't swing.
Baby sleeping? Fire up.
Oh, he trying to copy me with the high ram.
Mike, you know?
Bro, we like Oprah out here. You get a high ram. You get a high ram.
Hey, chop. We got a little chop. I still don't think it swung though. Hey, you got all this space right here now. You get all the polish. Sounds good though. This shit hella loud. What size is this?
402.
402?
Probably make like 5.5 to the wheel.
Sounds good.
Oh, I think it'll be quick.
How heavy are these models? Man, just go ahead and turbo it. What you waiting for? You playing?
Well, that's what we're gonna do before the motor let go.
This shit on the tire is probably gonna be like a fucking low 11-second truck. Just NA.
Naturally aspirated?
Yep.
That shit revs pretty fucking.
It revs quick.
Yeah. Oh yeah, it's got a nice part. Got a big ass cam.
What cam is that?
Got custom Texas speed. It's like a 240, 250.
These wheels is nice though.
Fuck yeah. Let me know. Hey, this is what you need. He wants to sell them.
What?
For the white truck.
Man, hell no. I'm on 20s now, man. Ain't never going back.
22's narrow.
Never going back.
Bro, half your header bolts are missing on that thing.
Or on here?
Yeah, passenger side, they were all halfway up.
Man, that's why I brought those ARPs.
Now we use ARPs.
What you use?
Header studs. They're better to hold the weight. You can actually add more torque. We go to 25 pounds, and it'll actually hold the weight versus the bolt, you know, pulling on the threads on the head.
So what's up with this? Turbo or what? Nah.
4,000 OG miles.
Man, y'all be in here with all this greatness and y'all want to just come in here for cam packages. Tell them to utilize them assets, man.
I ain't gonna lie. We started taking it apart the other day. I was like, we ain't putting the blower in this? I was like, no, not this time.
What happened? He's laughing.
Shit, grab them both while we're at it. Let me see that. Hey, I guess a 3-cent fucking vacuum cap was too much to ask for.
That's just custom.
That's just sick. Which one was this?
Almost a cave.
Oh no, this one's alright. That was adequate breathing.
Adequate.
The other one fucking, oh, was there for looks. My boy got a dash 10, still running through the stock venting. Hey, you still got a fucking roommate?
Your best friend, bruh. All right, so right now we're gonna test out the charge piping because I am gonna be taking the compressor housing and the piping with me, get this stuff powder coated. Beto's saying it's time for me to do a 6.0 because he said this motor tired as shit.
It's hella tired.
It ain't tired till it start knocking.
That's true.
What the fuck is that?
The steam port hose?
No.
Connected?
I heard
Yeah.
queefed and shit.
Here, give me that.
I'm like, I know you ain't that tired.
Fuck. That'd be muscle control right there. I don't get him the coolant 90 pick. Yep.
Oh, like a huge.
Yeah, it's probably got to get trimmed down too.
Just raw dogging it. Didn't even spit on it.
Nope. It's better than that.
Fuck, this might actually need a special coupler, huh?
Yeah, this ain't gonna work with.
It might if you heat it up.
We have the coupler. Bring the torch way.
It's just a 105 throttle, buddy. Yeah. Well, on a 102, we fit a 4-inch one, no problem. Oh, you know what? The angle's completely different too because the
stock one was
comes
straight
over there. So this might be.
Go to, let me see.
Well, you gotta watch out. It's not gonna work because it's got a high ram.
No, I know, but let me see. No.
No, we still can. We'll just trim it right before the weld. Yeah, we'll just cut it right here.
Yeah, right at the end.
Yeah, just leave this bead on.
Okay.
And then it'll be fine. We'll get that on. I'm not worried about that.
Yeah.
It'll angle it up and I'll make that fit for sure. That's good. So make sure to cut it clean on the bead though.
Yeah, I'll cut it clean.
As a matter of fact, maybe we're gonna clean it back with a flapper.
Yeah.
Flapper.
That'll get me
A little flapper disc.
Just take off everything and get rid of the powder.
Yeah, remove the O-ring.
Move the O-ring and then this right here.
Yeah,
And then the Allen.
Yeah, the Allen and the sensor cover.
It's spinning, nigga. It's spinning.
It's just sharp as fuck.
I was curious. Your AC condenser. So they make the one that for the Duramax actually kicks it that way. I wonder if it fits without having to do all those extra welds. That's probably where it's leaking.
I mean, if we can fix my AC, that'll be great.
Yeah, I'm trying to figure it out. I might just have to buy a can. I mean, it's $50. We'll fucking test fit it. It's already empty anyways. So, I'm pretty sure there's gotta be a way to put a can on there without having to do all that. Motherfuckers look like churning butter. Somebody sponsor me with a fucking table. $400 bead roller, doesn't have a vice.
All right, y'all. As y'all can see, it is stupid dark now. I'm about to be heading out to my boy Lamar's, and I'm about to be getting these covers. Ooh, I don't want to hit no C7. But yeah, I'm leaving Bethel's right now, and we're about to be going to my boy Lamar's, and I'm about to be getting this compressor housing powder coated for the truck. I left the intercooler piping behind. That way, if we make changes and stuff to it or have to make changes, it's not freshly coated and shit right now. So I can always get that coated up later. But we definitely got a mission, man. Yeah, it's looking like we got 2 hours and 1 minute drive. So I'm gonna be in the car for hella long. But I shall be checking back with y'all in 2 hours. Ah, man, we just getting here. I think Lamar's tuning something right now. Sounds like a JZ. 1J, possibly? If I'm not mistaken, that sounds like a 1J. Let's see how good my JZ-dar is. Is it? Is it? What's good? What's good? Soda. Yep, as expected, 1J. JZ-dar on point. Making sauce or what?
You're running out of spring.
What the fuck is that?
Your work.
Which one's that for?
Look, this nigga got the fresh taper. He think he bust down. He think he that nigga, huh?
I've been that nigga.
Look, he got the fresh lineup. Man, this better be black.
It could be.
I look kind of great, bruh.
It might be.
All right, let's see what we got here. Is heme satin? Yep. So yeah, my man's gotta drain this shit out. Smart guy tried to come with 91. You knew better. Go get that E. And look at this fool bald head Justin. Like the wheels is nice, nice. Justin's the only nigga I know who have his car at the shop for 5 years and come almost every month and change wheels. Nigga, wheels is fire though.
Alright, you can stop.
Fucking asshole.
No, your V-band. The V-band for your exhaust.
Yeah.
It's literally on the bottom.
Oh, what the f— Cody strikes again.
That's when, you know, when you hit bumps, you can, you know,
Get sparks.
do that
Rip your whole ass
motherfucking.
exhaust off.
Nah, just, you know,
He gonna
that's
put the Cody Lowe's to the test.
Come on, man, fix your tune. Got this man sound like he got a cam in here.
I just fixed it.
Just 30% the whole map, huh?
Yep.
Click, 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 click.
Yeah, but then we gotta go through it and, you know. Oh, look at that shit right on the fucking lane.
How many times do y'all see a black ass nigga tune in though? Why you waving so hard? And he got the Beats by Dre song. Garrett G Series?
No, GTX Gen 2.
Oh yeah, that's what I kind of meant.
That's what you kind of meant?
That's what I kind of meant.
Those two different turbos, dog.
No, I said, I meant to say Gen 2, but
What'd you
GTX
say?
came
You
out.
said G Series.
GTX Gen 2.
Yeah.
Same one Jamar had.
Do you have a
35.
3582?
Yeah, ain't that the one he gave you?
No, that was.
Or he gave it Joe. He gave it to Joe.
That was 3576.
He gave it to Joe though, didn't he?
Yeah, yeah. Joe has it.
They sound similar.
Yeah.
So you about to make what? 700 now?
Hell fucking no. I ain't got enough spring for that. Or enough cam.
What cams there?
These are fucking the stock 1J VVTi cams.
Oh, what's that? 12 pounds? He'll probably make 400.
4.
All right, topping off with a little Mo E. Alright y'all, so unfortunately y'all ain't gonna get to see the 1JZ tune completion. And that's because your boy gotta take a dookie, bruh. I got a dookie. Hella bad. I'll let y'all listen to one last pull and we up out of here. Hopefully I'll make it home